We've got an amazing event today celebrating Ŵyl Fair y Canhwyllau. We've got lots of the local community that have come together to produce these most beautiful snowdrop lanterns. We've got a fantastic storyteller called Deborah Winter.
Until she saw a V of swans.
It's a chance for us to get people to come out after the depths of winter to really come and experience something magical along the lakes, in the dark, with the lanterns.
Once they're taped together, it makes a really strong little dome.
It was a third and final snowdrop lantern making workshop with the local community. So altogether there's almost 60 lanterns of snowdrops, plus these really big ones that we've been working on for a few weeks now.
Quite often the lanterns that are made in events are just like little pyramids, so I think people have really enjoyed making something different. But I think the magic will be tonight when they're all lit up together.
It's going to be fun, isn't it? I mean, we put so much work into it. It's been a lovely collaboration, and it's always a bit of a process of like, oh, it's taken us a long time to make them, and then you just let them have a life of their own.
We're all gathering today because it's February the 1st, and traditionally in the Welsh culture, Candlemas. It's a time of coming together between the solstice and the equinox. We're halfway there, and it's really about longing for the coming of the light. By now, we've all had enough of cold and dark and rain, and this festival is looking towards the light. I mean, storytelling is just a lovely way to bring people together.
Bridget, the goddess of spring, will always be followed by Angus, the bright god of summer.
It's just something that human beings have always done from the very beginning of time, gathering around the fire, listening to stories. There's a kind of magic about it.
I'm really delighted to be here at Stackpole today for the first inaugural event of our Year of Culture in Wales. This year we're celebrating Wales in all its diversity, nature, beauty and history through a programme of cultural and creative events and activities, as well as learning for National Trust Cymru staff.